Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Snapchat user, you know how tricky it can be to figure out who's viewing your stories, especially from non-subscribers. In this video, we'll dive into the 2025 updates that make this super straightforward. Whether you're a content creator or just curious about your audience, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest 2025 version. Open the app and log in with your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. It's usually your Bitmoji or avatar. This will take you to your profile page. From there, scroll down and select My Stories or the specific story you want to check. Snapchat's 2025 interface has made this easier with a dedicated Insights tab. Tap on that and you'll see a list of viewers for your story. Now, here's the key part. In the viewers list, look for indicators like a gray icon or a non-subscriber label next to the username. This is a new feature in 2025 that helps you spot people who aren't your friends or subscribers. If you don't see the full list, double-check your story's privacy settings. Go to Settings, Who can view my story, and ensure it's set to Everyone or Friends of Friends if you want broader visibility. One cool tip. Snapchat now offers anonymous viewing stats, so you can see approximate numbers without names. But if you need more details, enable the Detailed Viewer Reports option in your account settings. It's a game changer for tracking engagement. Remember, always prioritize your privacy. If you're concerned about who sees your content, stick to Friends Only mode. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you master Snapchat in 2025. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.